This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles from bubble gum. First, select a fresh piece of bubble gum, ensuring it is soft and not too old. Chew the gum for about 1 minute until it becomes very pliable and smooth. This initial chewing process is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Once it's soft, use your tongue to flatten the gum into a small, thin disc, ready for the next step. Now, let's create the essential air pocket. Place the flattened gum against the roof of your mouth. With your tongue, carefully make a small, circular opening in the very center of the gum. This opening doesn't need to be large, just enough to allow air to pass through. Then, gently push the tip of your tongue through this opening, stretching the gum into a thin, delicate film. With the film in place, it's time to blow your bubble. Take a slow, steady breath and gently exhale a consistent stream of air through the thin gum film. Avoid blowing too hard or too fast, as this can cause the bubble to burst prematurely. Maintain gentle, even pressure as the bubble expands. Once it reaches your preferred size, stop blowing to prevent it from popping. To pop your bubble, simply close your mouth or gently touch it with your finger. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Practice makes perfect. The more you try, the better you'll become at controlling the air and gum. Experiment with various types of bubble gum, as some are designed to produce larger, more durable bubbles. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.